What's up guys, I'm Moritz and I'm a Shopify developer from Germany and I'm on the lookout for the best looking designs in web shops which are out there. And today we will be having a look at AeroPress and I stumbled across this lovely hotspot section right here. I'm quickly going to show you how it's working. So if you click on one of those hotspots right here, it's going to open up this modal. I'm going to give you specific information about the certain part inside the section. And it even has this nice little video pop up right here. And what we're gonna do today is gonna try to replicate this whole thing. So I built a little one for myself already. It's gonna work something like this. Here we have the text right here with the modal and everything. And of course the image as well. And I'm gonna show you how it's all working and hopefully give you a nice little idea that it's easily done. Okay, the first thing I did for it is that I headed on over to the Shopify App Store where I did get the Section Store app, which me and many other developers are using these days because it is a big time and money saver. Because if you do get a developer for sections like that, it's usually going to cost you around 100 euros an hour if you get a solid one. But this section just comes with a one-time fee of $9. That means if you bought it once, you also own it forever. And you can customize it to your likings, as you can see right here. You can even make it look something like that. And before actually being able to use it, of course, you have to purchase it and then head back to the My Sections area of the app, add it to the theme you're using. In my case, it is the Dawn Live theme. Click on Customize in, open it up. It does work on every theme, of course, and then you're pretty much ready to go. I'm just going to show you how you could add it completely from scratch, and then I head back to the other one. So just click on Add Section, type in Hotspot 6, and you're going to end up with something like that. That is how the default version would look like. Let's let this load up real quick. And yeah, that will be the one. And now I'm gonna give you a quick introduction to mine and how I made it look like, the way it looks like right now. So let's just get rid of this one and click on that one. So as you can see right here, it does consist of the main block itself. Then we have the headline. Then the excellent for Chill Sundays, that is the sub-headline. Then the scene action, which is going to be the video. And those two right here are the blocks. And if you click on add block, you can either decide if it's going to be a new hotspot. And here you can edit those other ones as well. So if I would click on block again, we can see right here a new hotspot item is going to appear. And if I click on it, I can decide the position and everything. I just want to have this up a little bit more. So we're gonna go for this right here. And of course the whole thing is fully responsive. That is not a thing you have to worry about. And you can either decide if it's going to be the desktop or the mobile version where you actually decide where the hotspot is positioned. And you can even switch the icon and text. And of course the way the icon looks. So if I want to just have price, I could do that as well. That is also a nice one. And you can even upload custom items. And here I want to maybe do the top t-shirt, and I'm going to select an image right here. I'll just do that one. And like this, I can also change the modal text and everything, modal heading, t-shirt, NTL, save it all up. And now I want to show you that if I click on it, that little modal is going to open up. So let's switch back to the full version right here. Yeah, there we have it, top t-shirt. And if I click on it, you can see you have the text and that as well. So that is looking perfectly fine. And now I also want to show you how I added that video, because I chucked in one right here as well. And the way that works is if you just head back to that, and here you have the scene action, and that is pretty much that. And you can change the text right here, and of course add the video. I edit from my Shopify files, and if I want to do some more changes to the whole thing itself, I just click on the main block. Here I uploaded the image, of course. I can decide how much roundness it has, if it has a border or not. I'm just gonna give it a little one. Of course I have to give it a color as well. And yeah, how wide the modal is, and a lot of other things which are easily changeable. And if I scroll all the way down, I can also decide what background the whole thing is going to have. So if I want to go with something more subtle, I can do that as well. Let's see if it's going to change. Give it a little reload. That is the modal actually. That's why it didn't change, sorry for that. I of course have to do the section background color. And there we have it. This is looking really fine already. And now I want to have a final look at it in the live version. And I hope I could give you a nice little overview of how this section is operating. It is a little bit of a learning curve, of course, but I think you do get behind it. And yeah, I did it in under 5 minutes, and I also showed you other sections. So I do think that is a pretty good time to set up this section, and it does definitely up the quality of your store. So yeah, here we have all the other ones. Here you have the t-shirt as well, and of course the video, and we changed the background color. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Hope you guys found that useful. If you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.